We had a dream. A dream of a land full of wonders. A place where the sky lights on fire. Leading towards a horizon with no end. Where the heartbeat of a place feels alive. A place where the silence says more than words ever could. This is home. This is Namibia. Many people ask us, why Namibia again and again? When you feel the warm sun on your skin. The wind tangling through your hair. The silence broken by the whispers of a desert. When nature casts a spell over you. And you feel lost and found at the same time. Then you're at home. Namibia means freedom. The loving people, the spirit of nature, and the magical wildlife have touched us deeply. You can't capture that with words. We document our travels here on this channel. Not only to record what we see, but also to make you feel it. Because in the end, the best stories are not just told, they are felt. Maybe that's the reason why we film. Because we don't want these moments to disappear or be forgotten. But it's not just about remembering. It's also about sharing them with others. Because somehow we can make them feel through a lens too. Can you feel it?